Hello children, how are you? Once again, I am in front of you with a new chapter, Advances in Medical Science. Before this, I would like to request you please subscribe our channel St. Xavier School Hardoi. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Now, come to the chapter, Advances in Medical Sciences. Children, in olden days people used to think that the diseases are the punishment of God. But today, we are no longer vulnerable to diseases. We have vaccines to prevent them and medicines to treat them and cure them. From early times, man has made observations, researches, and done experiments to understand the human body and disclosed the secrets. This helped him to understand the medical science. Now, in this chapter, we will read about the important developments and inventions in the field of medicines. Number one, medical instruments. First one is medical instruments. In medical instruments, let's talk about clinical thermometer. We measure our body temperature with the help of thermometer. A thermometer has a scale marked in units called Fahrenheit from 95 to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Normal temperature of human body is considered as 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. When the thermometer shows a body temperature above 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, the person suffers with fever. Now, thermometer is an essential part of first aid box. Thermometer was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1714 AD. Now, an adult puts the thermometer inside his mouth to record the temperature, whereas in babies and young children, it is placed in the armpit to record the temperature. Next is stethoscope. While visiting the doctor, we have often seen an instrument that doctor uses to listen our hearts and lungs. The instrument is stethoscope, or we can say a doctor is identified by this instrument. It helps a doctor to monitor our heartbeat and the condition of the lungs. It was invented by Rein Laennec. Once he saw two children playing with a hollow bamboo, where one spoke into its one end and the other held it to his ear to listen to the booming voice. Now children, next instrument is microscope. Microscope is an instrument that gives us an enlarged image of a tiny object. It helps the doctors and medical assistants investigate diseases. It is used to study the microbes that cause diseases by magnifying the microscopic organisms to enable the doctors to study them. It was invented by Zacharias Janssen of Holland as a toy in a form of flea glass. But later on it was modified by Galileo using the lenses and invented the microscope. Invention of machines. Invention of some medical equipments and machines have accelerated the growth in medical science to help us in overcoming through several diseases. Number one is X-ray machine. It can see inside the human body and detect what is wrong, like it can identify fractures of bones. It was developed by Roentgen in 1895 or Roentgen in 1895. Next, the ECG machine. It helps to plot the heartbeats as a graph. Doctors can check the abnormalities in the heart by reading this graph. Next one is ultrasound machine. Children, kidney stones and other such medical problems that are not visible on the body can be detected with the help of this machine. CAT scan, MRI machine can scan bones, soft tissues and blood vessels with greater clarity than the X-rays. Next is development in the field of surgery. What is surgery? It refers to the cutting, opening the body to treat an injury or a disease. It is the gift given to medical science by our country, India. Sushruta, a surgeon, performed the surgeries approximately 2500 years ago. That time doctors were called Vaidya. So Sushruta Vaidya. Sushruta used to have performed eye operations. Today also doctors are called Vaidya, but it is the pure Hindi. They were called Vaidya. Sushruta used to have performed eye operations, removed stones from kidneys and carried out plastic surgery of nose and ears. That means he was the first ever plastic surgeon also. That means he gave the technique of plastic surgery to the whole world. He also wrote a book based on these things. The name of book is Sushrut Samhita. The doctors who perform surgery are called surgeons. Nowadays advanced technology has developed, so LASIK surgery or laser surgery is a recent development in the field of surgery. In this surgery, knife and scalpel are not required. Medicines that wonder. What are the medicines that wonder? Discovery of certain medicines has done wonders in effective treatment of diseases. Two such medicines are chloroform and penicillin. Now anesthesia is applied before surgery to make the person unconscious to avoid pain during the operation. The medicine used in anesthesia is chloroform. It was discovered by Dr. James Young Simpson. Next one is penicillin. It is a wonderful drug that controls the spread of infections. It was discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming in 1928. He was the professor of medicines. He discovered this medicine while doing research on bacteria. While experimenting in his laboratory, he found that the mold on a certain specimen had killed the germs in that dish. Now today, penicillin is an antibiotic that is used to treat many diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, plague and cholera. Nowadays, more antibiotics like chloromycetin, streptomycin and gentamicin are also used. Prevention of diseases. Children, before we start, prevention of diseases means before falling ill with diseases, if we will prevent the diseases will not catch us. So one of the method is vaccination. Today we use vaccines to prevent several diseases like tuberculosis, cholera, tetanus, typhoid, whooping cough, yellow fever and many other diseases. The vaccine for smallpox was discovered by Sir Edward Jenner. The system of using vaccines to prevent the spread of diseases is called immunology. Next one is pasteurization. Louis Pasteur, a French chemist, discovered that heat kills germs. He discovered that if milk is heated for half an hour and cooled, it remained fresh for many days as it becomes germ free. So this process has come to be known on his name as pasteurization. Louis Pasteur also prepared a vaccination for anthrax and inoculation for rabies. If you go to market to buy a packet of milk, you will see very clearly written on it, pasteurized milk. That means germ free. Now, sterilization. It is a procedure by which the disease causing germs are destroyed through boiling. Sterilization reduces infection. Sir Joseph Lister used this procedure to make surgical equipments clean and infection free. Now if you go to buy a medical cotton, if you go to buy a cotton or bandage for any medical purpose, you will see that on the label it is written that sterilized cotton or sterilized gauze. Here children, however, these things have been invented or these inventions have been done, but still we must give force on healthy lifestyle, nutritious food and physical exercises. They are also equally important for a healthy and disease-free life. Yoga asanas are also very helpful to keep our body fit and healthy. They are the part of our lifestyle. Now come to exercises. Few questions are there, their options are there. You have to answer them. Normal temperature of human body is 34 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius. Yes, very good. 37 degrees Celsius. Who is known as the father of medicine? Father of medicine: Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit, René Laennec, Hippocrates and Galileo. This I haven't told you in this chapter, so I will tell you Hippocrates or Hippocrates. Number 3, in which year was the X-ray machine developed? 1895, 1714, 1967 or 1853? Yes, very good. The correct answer is 1895. Number 4 is, which machine helps to plot heartbeats as a graph? ECG machine, MRI machine, CAT scan, stethoscope. Very good. ECG machine is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, take care. Thank you.